Forget about the bustling mainlands. I was craving sun-kissed. Skin burn हो गया मुझे. The sound of rushing waves and the feeling of truly getting away. No proper Wi-Fi, no bikes. My adventure to the Cambodian islands delivers all that and more. From jungle treks
कंबोडिया के जंगलों में खो गए.
to vibrant coral reefs, get ready to be swept away by the beauty of the Southeast Asian paradise. So, from Siem Reap, I took a night bus to Sihanoukville, a town by the sea where people come to take a ferry to the islands of Korong and Korong Sanleo. It took me 45 minutes to reach Korong.
This is a very beautiful beach.
Unfortunately, as you walk along these beaches, you will always find some trash, mainly plastic bottles. I met with these guys from Portugal, and they were on a mission to clean up the beach.
So we have taken part in Kooda Uthao Andolan. So we are cleaning the beach. These guys, like this is the fifth bin. I have taken part in this. Now we'll find trash from that side of the beach to that side of the beach. But I have just joined like in the middle. We will clean the beach.
Oi? Então vou-te dizer as cenas de lixo que uma pessoa já viu passar pelas mãos ainda.
So the sand, this is the finest. You hold it and it slips. It's really fine. Trust me, guys. Trust me. The reflection is so perfect. So guys, this is the another port, and look what luxurious thing is it. They have a private tree houses over here. Tree house 1, tree house 2, tree house 3, tree house 4 and 5.
Guys, I have just woke up and look at the sun. It's so wow. This is the first time of me taking a swim in an ocean. Earlier also been near to the ocean, but I never took a swim because I was afraid. But this one is really good, very clean, very safe, because if you walk till that way, it is shallow. It is shallow till your waist, so nothing will happen. I always have a fear of falling in a ditch.
So this is the best experience so far of mine. I was never a beach person, but now I am a beach person. Beaches are much more fun than the mountains. I can say this. So the past 1-2 days, it's actually the 3 days, I'm living one of the best days of my life. The beach is so clean, the sand is so fine, and everything is so good here. I like it. Yeah, I have rented a scooty also, but I haven't drove that scooty yesterday. The full day it was like untouched, and I don't remember where it is. The dogs are like this, they will try to bark at you, but more probably. But they don't have the power to fight you back. So it's better you take the fight. Attack them. I've talked to some locals, and the locals said like the Chinese are taking over this place, like making building things and different businesses. Yeah, so it's better that you come a little bit earlier, because if there's so many buildings and houses, then this place will be dead. Khoranga is the biggest among two islands, but it is still pretty small. You can drive from one side to the other side in less than 2 hours. There is a 2 main piers.
So someone came here and then never left. That star still has air inside, but the rest is someone like his windows. Windows are open. And road is also not like key. Road is very difficult. The road is good. So this is the another beach, and it's a long beach, I guess. Nobody is here. So long. And now I have reached Coconut Beach. And this is another way, going to another beach. So guys, that's a private island.
So pure, so deep, so real. I want you to transcend. So pure, so deep, so real. So pure, so deep, so real. So pure.
So I'm going away from this beautiful beach, this beautiful island, and moving for the next one. On this one I have a tent on the beach. The next one I don't have that privilege. I'm in a town, small town, but nobody has bikes, I believe, so we all have to walk, and it's a small one, so it will be really interesting how to do it. That is the one I'm going to. Boat, slow boat. I think that is my boat. Line, give me a line. This is my boat. We are walking on these sand roads. I mean, there is no roads, and on this island very few people, maybe 10 people owns a bike. The rest they only walk. And if you search from point A to point B, I mean, there's another side, just another side, and this island is not so big. You have to take a boat. There's no way which the Google map shows. So we have just recalculated on the Google Maps, and we are just going. Maybe this will lead us to that way, or otherwise we'll come back. So we are not able to find the way, and we are going down here, this way. So I think we enter someone's property. This looks like a sugarcane farm, small. Heavy mistake has been done. So we saw on the map that there is a beach, there should be a beach, but there is no beach. This coastline just goes like this, very odd way, and few ships are there. I don't know what is this, but everything is, nobody's here, nobody. कंबोडिया के जंगलों में खो गए। ये तो पगडंडी है वापस। अरे रास्ता ख़त्म हो गया बे, फिर भी चलते रहो, खुद नहाएंगे। वो कांटे हैं, कितना दिख रहा। I doubt this way knows that it is a way. We are closer to the beach. We see sand. The beach is here. Man vs Wild. In this episode of Man vs Wild, we show you nothing. Well, there is a point, guys. Very important is you see these things. These are bit strong and these are stems. Oh my. So very difficult for saving your feet. The point is to save your feet, then you will reach somewhere. But this is a mini waterfall. There's no water, but there's so many cuts on my leg because of the tree. Ow! All the cuts on the leg, they actually hurt, but we made it. We made it back to life. Back to life, guys. I'm happy. No more jungle safaris. We'll see something else. Going for snorkeling for the first time. Nagoda. Best of luck. Done that. It's very I don't know, in this glasses look like it's too down and I will fall. I don't know, it's kind of a fear to me. For the first 10 minutes it was very difficult, but then I tried it again after keeping this camera down. Then I was able to do it for a little bit, but now the fingers are like this, so it is the time to get out of the water. So came out. Maybe we will do it again or maybe tomorrow. So this is Lazy Beach. And this is a very good deal I found on this island. So this island is actually divided into two parts. It's not actually divided, but it is one part. But where I landed is Mbae, and Mbae is just a small town. Now to get to the other side of the island, we don't have a road, a proper road. There are some trains, but the trails also don't lead there. I tried finding it, so it's difficult. So the only option is like taking the boat. So one side of the boat is $5 and the other side of the boat is $5. But today I found a deal in which one hostel was dropping this the $10 for coming back, but they will stop at different beaches like that. 1.5 hour trek on the jungles to reach the lighthouse. You can walk up the lighthouse, and yeah, we are back at 6 o'clock. We are back. So this is our boat. These are the people from all the other hostels. It was a promotion. It was nice. Sometimes you find a nice deal and sometimes you just don't. So this is traveling. You need to be at the right time, right place, and you get it. Hello. And we are crashing. सर लग गया भाई, सर लग गया। अरे भाई कहाँ आ गए धक्का मारने से।
बोट में टक्कर मार दी इतना खाली समुंदर फिर बोट में टक्कर मार दी, दिखी ना रहा में। सब कुछ चलाओ भाई, आगे ले जाओ। There are spiky things around me right now. I'm standing, one is there, two are there. I'm too scared of them. It's not at all safe. I saw a lot of fishes. I'm always afraid that if I touch one of them with my leg or something, what will happen? There's not even doctor, bro. I'm afraid of this. I want to get out. इतनी बड़ी छिपकली ना देखी मैंने आज तक। वो भाई बड़ी सुंदर सी है। अभी मैं झाड़ू कैसे मारूं मैं? चल बहन सक्सेसफुल